So one shortcut I use most of the time is Control P or Command P. Okay, so if I hit Control P, so and if I want to go to any file, for example user model, I'll just type user. Okay, so this is a lot faster instead of going this app and searching for user. Okay, so if I want to go to controller, for example node controller, okay, so look how fast it is. So I don't need to type even whole path name. I can type node con. Okay, just it does fuzzy searching. Okay, so similarly if I want to go to blade file, okay, login blade file, so if type login and blade, so it will just take you to that file. Okay, so instead of going to just like resources, as views, okay, auth and register or login, so it will take a lot of time. Okay, instead this Control P one is a lot faster. So when I'm first starting out, I used to go like this. Okay, so everyone does like, so it is okay in order to get feel of this folder structure. So but as you grow up, you should use this. Okay, Control P to go to any file. So next keyboard shortcut is, for example, if we are in some controller, okay, for example in nodes controller, so here are a lot of methods. So store, okay, create. So this is okay for a small file. So in large file you need, if you want to search for specific method, you can use Control R. So if you want to go destroy, okay, so it will just take you to destroy. Similarly if you want to go to index, okay, so this is also a nice one. Okay, next if you want to go to so symbol, so these are symbol. Okay, so Control R is in project, so hitting Control R will search for all the symbols or methods in the current file. So if you want to go to any symbols in project, not in file, okay, so hit Control Shift R. So just look for shortcut in your system. Okay, it will show here. So if I want to go to for example login, okay, and hit, it will just take me to the login symbol. Okay, so also next if I want to go to destroy method, okay, so destroy, and it will show these all file contains that destroy method. Okay, so in which file I want to go to destroy, like you can choose. Okay, so this is a lot faster. Just try using them and it will save a lot of time. So next is selection. For example if I want to select all the nodes, okay, so I'll take cursor here and hit Control D. Okay, so look, it will outline all the related nodes. Okay, so all the related words like so. So if you want to select all of them, so if you want to select next occurrence, okay, so hit Control D, so it will select that. Okay, so if you hit Control D again, that will select next. Okay, similarly, so look, it will point the cursor at the different location. Okay, so multiple cursor. If you want to change that to anything other notebook, it will change them it all occurrence. Okay, it will change all occurrence of nodes to notebooks. Okay, so this is another one. So I hit Control D several times to select all occurrence. Also you can use Alt F3, okay, in Windows, okay, to select everything which contains this nodes word. So if you want to see key bindings, you can go to preferences and default key binding. Okay, so here is everything. So if you want to search for anything, for example Alt plus F3, so find all under. So if you want to change this key binding, just copy this. Okay, copy this and go to key bindings user. Okay, then here you will change all the key binding related to that. So you might not have these commands, so just paste that. So be sure to put comma here. So if you want to change this to anything else, F3, F4 or anything you want, okay, so you can change it here. So this is how you change the key bindings. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.